Okay, guys, so let's talk about types of wounds. In surgery. So, there are four types of wounds. First is clean wound. Second is clean contaminated. Third is contaminated. And fourth is dirty. So, first wound, that is clean wound. There is less than 2% chance of surgical site infection. These are in all surgeries when there is clean incised wound, mainly surgery of organs where there's no normal or pathogenic microbes. So, when there is no microbes and surgical incision wounds are given, it is a clean wound. Example, all the sterile site where we do surgery like thyroid, breast, heart, and all organs where there is no microbes, no commensal or pathogenic bacteria present. Okay. Second is clean contaminated. Mostly seen in GI tract या genitourinary tract surgery with no inflammation. Now it is considered clean contaminated because we all know that GI and genitourinary tract contains some commensal flora of itself which can cause infection. So it is not a clean wound, it is a clean contaminated, but there is no inflammation as such. Inflammation means there is no pathogenic organism, because pathogenic organism will trigger inflammation in our body, and there is no inflammation, that means no pathogenic organism, only the normal commensal is present. Okay, so chances of SSI, surgical site infection, are 2 to 10%. Example, like stone removal, cholecystectomy, normal appendix removal. Okay. Third is contaminated. This is called when surgery of genitourinary and GI tract, when there is inflammation is also present, but no pus. Chances of surgical site infection are 10 to 20%. For dirty wound, when pus present, any wound on which we are operating and where there is pus present, that is dirty wound. Example, breast abscess, fecal contamination if it is present, bacterial peritonitis, and chances of SSI are more than 20%. So let's recapitulate. 4 types of wounds are there. First is clean, second is clean contaminated, third is contaminated, and fourth is dirty. So clean wounds, there is less than 2% risk of SSI, and normal surgery incision in situation or organ where there is no microbes present. Clean contaminated in GI or genitourinary surgery without any inflammation or infection. Contaminated in GI or genitourinary surgery with non-purulent inflammation. Dirty when there is pus is present anywhere in the body. So clean wound chances are less than 2% SSI. Clean contaminated is 2 to 10%. In contaminated it is 10 to 20%, and in dirty it is more than 20%. Thank you.